Hygiene products. Imagine that you've had training on cellulose wadding. You now know that cellulose wadding is made from fiber pulp. This paper has been creped so that it contains more air and is softer. But what is it for? For making hygiene products. Cellulose wadding is used to make paper handkerchiefs, hand wipes, toilet paper, kitchen paper, napkins, and tablecloths, as well as items for industrial or medical use. Now imagine that you want to start producing toilet paper. This is the most commonly used hygiene product, so let's use it as an example. So you order a roll, a huge roll. This is what we call the parent roll. For toilet paper, you need to choose very soft cellulose wadding. Using rough paper for this type of application is not an option. If you have decided to produce paper handkerchiefs, you need to select cellulose wadding that is just as soft but slightly stronger. Things could get messy if you don't. For kitchen paper, you will have to choose cellulose wadding that is even more resistant to moisture. But let's focus once again on the manufacture of toilet paper. You take two enormous parent rolls and place each of them on a reel. You unroll them and then roll the two sheets together. This allows you to obtain a roll of 2-ply toilet paper. But a roll of paper this size could never be sold in shops. It's far too big. At this point, you can use a rewinding machine if you want to turn it into rolls of toilet paper. Or you can use a folding machine if you want toilet paper in packets. You can then pack the toilet paper and ship it off. As a general rule, it shouldn't be transported more than 600 kilometers. Hygiene products don't like long journeys, and you are essentially transporting a large amount of air. And before you begin, it's important to know that you will have to produce vast quantities. The French consume an average of 13 kilograms of paper hygiene products each year. To make other types of hygiene products, you will need to use other processes, such as wafering, embossing, and printing. To sum up, making paper hygiene products involves cellulose wadding, winding, unwinding, rewinding, and assembly. And a little softness. To find out more about paper hygiene products, contact us.